how to set replacement preferences in Instacart. Now, setting replacement preferences on Instacart ensures you get exactly what you need. If your first choice is out of stock, you can set this at various stage in your cart during checkout or even after placing the order while the shopper is active. So what you want to do is open the Instacart app on your device, and in your cart you could select add instructions or instructions on the items and tap choose replacement as well. So what you want to do is just go to the cart section, right? When you go to the cart section, there you could simply go ahead and scroll down or tap the gear icon and simply go ahead and select start add-in instructions. And now on the checkout page, you could tap review to see all the items and the added specific instructions or replacement as well. And you can just go to and if you want to do it after ordering, just want to go to the order section, select the current order and tap on edit replacement or add instructions for individual items as well. And this is how you're supposed to set replacement preferences on Instacart. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in a next video.